Hi, I just got this power inverter from the folks at GearBest. This model works with an input voltage of 12 volts and has an output of 110 volts, 60 Hz and a maximum power of 2000 watts. So let's check it out. Inside the box you find the inverter itself, the connection wires, and a small manual that is in Chinese, I think, and in English. Here we can see the connection points for the battery. There is a small fan here, and at the other side we have two power outlets, the on-off switch, and there is also a USB port for your devices. So let's test the inverter. I am supplying voltage with my variable power supply to see how the inverter behaves with different input voltages. So first I am using the required 12 volts and this lamp as a load. So let me turn it on. So there it is. At 12 volts we have 118 volts of output. You can see the lamp is on, and here we can see this is a little above 50%. This indicates the charge of the battery. Remember that batteries, when they are fully loaded, they have around 13 volts. So if we increase the input voltage, let's see. At 13 volts, we have the indication of a full charged battery. And we can continue to increase the voltage, for example, at 14 volts. We have regulation of the output voltage, 15 volts, and we have a beep indicating an over voltage. So we need to reduce the input voltage. Now, if we use a lower input voltage, that will indicate that the battery is draining. For example, at 11.5, we have the indication that the battery is less than 50% charged. So let me reduce the voltage further. Here we are at 11 volts, 10.5. We are in red, almost nothing left of charge, and at 9.5 volts, the inverter shuts down. That will save the battery from draining completely. I am returning to 12 volts, and there you have it. At this other side, we have an indication of how much of the load we are using. 100% will indicate that we are using the full 2000 watts. Of course, this little load or lamp is only draining around 10 watts. However, I have tested the inverter with my microwave oven and my battery car, and it works fine. So in the end, I think this is a good inverter with a nice price to quality ratio. You can buy this inverter for less than $60. In the video description, you have the links in case you want to buy one. Thank you and see you in the next video.